In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Smart People chip suggestions in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have suggestions that turn names into helpful, clickable chips right inside your spreadsheet, making collaboration faster and cleaner. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for your sheets. In the top right, look for the Google Apps Launcher, the small grid of dots. Click that to open the panel with all Google apps, then choose Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the panel or select More to find it. Once you're on the Sheets homepage, open the spreadsheet where you want to use People chips. This can be any existing file or a new one you've created. After your document loads, move up to the menu bar at the top and click Tools. From the Tools menu, select Suggestion Controls. This opens the place where you can manage intelligent suggestions for your document. In the Suggestion Controls, turn on Enable Smart People Chip Suggestions. With this enabled, Sheets will proactively suggest people chips as you type, especially when it recognizes a person's name or when you start with the @ symbol. Accepting a suggestion will convert the text into a compact chip that you can hover over to see details like a profile card. It's a great way to keep your sheet tidy while making it easy to reference teammates and contacts without copying and pasting information. After enabling it, try typing a name in a cell, or start with the @ symbol to prompt suggestions. Use your arrow keys to navigate suggestions and press Enter or Tab to insert the chip. If you don't see suggestions right away, give the page a quick refresh. Also, keep in mind that suggestions are based on your contacts and organization directory, and they respect document sharing, so you'll only get suggestions for people relevant to your account and access. A quick recap. Open the Google homepage, use the Apps grid to get to Sheets, open your spreadsheet, go to Tools, then Suggestion Controls, and enable Smart People chip suggestions. From there, typing names becomes smoother and more consistent across your sheet. That's it. Simple, quick, and super useful for collaboration. If you found this helpful, try it on a sheet you use daily and notice how much cleaner your data entry becomes with people chips guiding you as you work.